Did you know that about 90% of sunglasses you buy come from just two major companies? Most of the sunglasses brands on the market are owned by a couple of giants conglomerates, and for example, Sunglasses Hut is just one of their storefront. So it's a highly competitive and difficult access industry. So brands like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Prada, DKNY, Dolce Gabbana, all owned by Luxottica. And the same goes for Safilo with brands like Boss, Dior, Fendi, and Marc Jacobs. This means that innovation and being different are not necessarily a part of their DNA anymore. And they have a price advantage since they own almost everything, including their own distribution channel. Then there are the Alibaba white label brands. If you want to sell sunglasses the easy way, you can go to Alibaba and choose a design from their catalogs. Select the lenses, if you meet the minimum order quantity, so MOQ. You can stamp your logo on it. Anyways, however, you may find other brands selling the same design as yours and all made in China. So that's where we come in, and we are independent and carving our own path by creating our own design. And even when we started the company, it was hard for us to contact manufacturers since they are almost all owned by the big guys. So we received a lot of rejection and heard things like, well, who are you? Your numbers are too small. We can't produce your sunglasses. So we tried a few places here and there, but it was never positive feedback. But in the end, we persisted and eventually met with a Japanese company with the finest craftsmanship, making it a perfect match for a high-end luxury product. So a little inception here. Annie was editing and I stumbled into some other info about Luxottica. It's something that I already knew, but I just think it's good to hear from somebody else than myself preaching to the converted.
Well, one answer is because one company controls a big chunk of the business. A staggering variety of colors and designers. You'd think the competition would force the prices down.
Wow, look at that.
One reason it hasn't is a little-known but very big Italian company called Luxottica. If you own a nice pair of specs or shades, they're probably theirs. Do you have any idea how many people in the world are wearing your glasses right now?
At least 500 million are wearing our glasses now.
Lux deals to conceive and create high-quality, stylish specs for nearly every brand and label you can think of.
We have Prada, we have Chanel, we have Dolce Gabbana, we have Versace, we have Burberry, we have Ralph Lauren, we have Tiffany, we have Bulgari.
Not the same because of details on the frames, like the little Chanel C's, Polo Ponies, or Tiffany Blue. Luxottica wouldn't tell us their markup, but glasses like these can sell for up to 20 times what they cost to make. And all the glasses are designed by Luxottica.
Since they give us the illusion of choice, selling you something, some product, that are usually overpriced for the quality offered, since they are a monopoly. So hopefully it will help you decide, or at least understand more the process and what you're actually buying.
When you bought it, you could buy them for, I don't even know how little money.
$29?
$29 at the drugstore, at a gas station.
Yeah.
And you took them off the market.
We refurbished everything.
And made them upscale. Today, those $29 pairs can cost $150 and more. And Ray-Ban is the top-selling sunglass brand in the world. When Americans go to buy these glasses, I'll bet 99% think they're buying an American brand.
It is an American brand. What's wrong with it? I mean, it's an American brand owned by Italians.
Since Luxottica not only bought Ray-Ban, they also bought LensCrafters, the largest eyewear retail chain in North America. So since Luxottica owns you, does the consumer get a break on glasses made by them in LensCrafters?
What the customer gets at LensCrafters is a variety of services and products, including this broad assortment of frames that...
Mark, you're not answering my question. So Is there a free market in eyewear?
No, I don't think there really is. I think one company has excessive dominance of the market.
Is an optical illusion.
The reality is, it's like pro wrestling competition. It's actually fake competition. And
They
Oakley
refuse to sell their glasses in
it
their
was a dispute about pricing, and they dropped Oakley from the stores, and Oakley's stock price collapsed. How is Oakley going to reach the consumer if they can't get their sunglasses in Sunglass Hut?
There were some issues between the two companies in the beginning of the 2000s, but both of them understood that it was better to go along.
Better to let you buy them.
I wouldn't say this.
Here's a comment of someone below. Okay. So I work for Luxottica. The quality of the glasses is no better than what you find at the dollar store. About once every 3 months, we would fill a dumpster with perfectly good glasses, some still in cases. They wouldn't sell them at a market down price. They trash them to get money off them, to get money from them. Anyways, the rest is the managers are garbage. I was fired, so let's give and take on his comment, but still. Here's a genuine review of a customer of ours, and we're always happy to hear that. So, I can testify to the quality. I have Cazal, Dita, Porsche, Ferrari, and I have purchased Louis Vuitton, Versace, and Gucci shades. The first few stands to high-end standards, but the ones I paid was $800 or better, or not near as well put than the Emerald Trailblazer, talking about the Trailblazer Cobalt Blue I just received in the mail. Company sent me a personal note and email and handles business a lot better than the ones I have bought for $100 or more. P.S. I do not work or have any ties to the company. Anyways, it's always we're always really grateful to see that people are can recognize the quality of it. So yeah, that's it. Anyways, let's go back at it. So now that you have a better understanding of the sunglasses industry, please go take a look if you haven't already. Our limited collection. They are all number lot with a serial number from 0 to 450. So I guess we're unique, but so are you. Be brave.